Everyone, and today is January 21st, 2025. This is my market update video. Today, market went up pretty good. I mean, it was a good rally, and I was kind of expecting it. So, like I said in my weekend video, Tuesday and Wednesday could be bullish days. And I'm coming in late today because I wanted my algo to run the reports. So that is the reason. So yeah, I mean, uh, today, I mean, there is probably a lot of volatility coming into this market because of Trump factor. Yesterday, market suddenly collapsed and then it came back up again. Same thing with Bitcoin. So let's go through one by one. So I'm looking at the Nasdaq chart. This is a 4-hour chart. It looks like it wants to, it's putting up like all these bearish candles on a 4 hourly basis. So if you look at daily, it doesn't look like much. Even on daily, it looks like a topping candle. But I'm thinking market is running out of gas here. So since because of the high volatility and the news cycle is pretty rapid, there are like a lot of news coming over. So given all that, I'm thinking this correction would start sometime this week. I'm thinking more likely Thursday and Friday. So yeah, that is my view. I'm still not convinced about this rally today, even after today. Um, so let's look at yes. Let's look at the spice. I mean, I saw something interesting there. So spice, I have this resistance area, and today it just touched it and then kind of could not penetrate. So tomorrow, if it starts, somewhere here, it'll have a tough time. It has to overnight jump over this and then maybe consolidate in this. I don't know. I mean, this looks like a tough area to cross in one day. So this is something interesting that I'm keeping an eye on. And another thing is Qs looked pretty. This looks like a pretty bearish candle to me on a daily basis. Even it looks like as if market rallied a lot, but it's putting on this bearish candles. Also, another I got a short signal on IWM Russell 2000 small caps. But problem is I didn't go short on this because either it has to hit this level or this level, and this level is 60 Fibonacci 60 61. This is a little bit if it hits here, it will be a stronger reversal, so I'm waiting for to take a shot on the IWM. I did get a short signal from my algo, um, that and Dow Jones looks like it stopped right at 50% line uh, of this Fibonacci extensions. Let's look at Bitcoin today. So Bitcoin is interesting, guys. Yesterday it could not go and touch this. It did not do that. Um, I came up with this lines, so it needs to, according to me, it needs to at least get to 114, 115, and it needs to do this before the end of the month. There may be some month-end correction coming. That's what I'm predicting based on the charts and everything. but looks like it's still bullish. I mean, I don't see any major issues. I don't see any topping patterns or anything like that. Um, but yeah, I mean, I'm just trying to look to see if I see anything bearish here. Um, yeah, other than the monthly bearish signal, I don't see much on the Bitcoin. Um, so monthly trend is up. Weekly momentum is barely positive and it's trending down. Daily is also trending down, but and it's barely positive. So that is the reason why I'm not sure what will happen to Bitcoin. Uh, but it shouldn't just go down without hitting any of these. So overnight it might hit this. Who knows what will happen? But that is my view. And on Friday I went short on the oil, so it fell pretty hard. Looks like not much resistance on the downside. Um, so it'll at least need to go to 79. Um, and oil, the monthly momentum is down, so if it falls pretty hard. I mean, it'll gap down, fall, and all that. So that is my analysis of that. I'm still holding my shorts. I'll probably get out, once it. But I'm predicting a pretty decent fall here, guys, because it has started doing this in the beginning of the week. I'm thinking, it's not gonna stop now. Uh, so that was oil, and let's. Last week I gave a stock prediction. Let's see how it's doing. I took a long on this. I went long on this using options. I bought like 21 or 22, I forget, for $1, and it's already like 130. So it was in this bull flag pattern. Um, it's in this bull flag pattern. It's trying to break out. My I'm gonna hold it till it goes to 21. I'll probably, that'll be like around, that'll make my option value around $2, and then I'll be out. So it's like double the money. Um, so it tried to break out last week. It could not do that. It hit this and then, bounced back. Today it like opened above it and stayed above it. So I'm thinking it'll at least go to 21, if not higher. Also, today I wanted to give another trade for this week, and that would be Jack. This is Jack in the box, guys. I'm getting a bullish signal on this. Um, so this it should start going up. It's kind of putting in like a cup kind of a bottom. Usually, it just takes time, because I think this is like a long term bottom. Also, I see inflation kind of topping around March or April, and you know it could be May also. But in the after first quarter, I think like inflation, people are like, when people cry uh, something really loud, that means that thing is going to end. And right now everyone is talking about inflation, and looks like, but I don't see inflation holding. There are a lot of headwinds, like tariffs. They're saying they will be inflationary, but I think economy is a stronger force. I think uh, uh, it's gonna be the deflationary forces will win, start, and then you'll start seeing prices going down pretty rapidly from May or June. So that is my prediction, guys. So this is my trade for the week. I already went long actually on my portfolio. Also, another thing is I kind of forgot to do my portfolio update. It's kind of barely positive. I closed a couple of trades today. EDU earnings came out and it kind of dropped like a rock. So I'm down pretty hard on this. I'm looking to automate this, guys, because I don't find time to look at this, and then what is which stock has earnings and all that kind of stuff. So this was a pretty bad loss. I should have seen this coming, but rest of them are going good. Uh, let's see. I'm closing around like 10%. I took a long on Urban last week. This was also I think this was, yeah, last week. Also, Chinese stocks bounced, like I said in my, I said, China rally incoming on January 7th. Chinese stocks rallied. It was kind of, not expected because, Trump was, basically, he was uh, talking about tariffs and stuff. So Chinese stocks were seen as bearish, but I saw a rally coming because of the alerts. So I took a couple of stocks, and one of them I already closed. I think it was Billy, BILI. So yeah, that was a good 6%, 7% profit. So yeah, that is my market update, guys. Thank you for watching, and have a good day. Bye.